just researching more about what kinds of stories other nations have when they bring up their children. Who passes on these oral traditions or the scriptures or the stories of Buddhism? Thank you.
Thank you, Bev. So what we have seen here is television, electronic media carrying out the moral message, the moral message to our society. This is what is happening today in contemporary society. But as Bev mentioned earlier, traditionally, the moral message was taught by our mothers who told us stories and shaped us with the kind of pictures that we saw. So as we move forward to transform our society from a violent society to a nonviolent society, the way we convey messages and how we perceive these images is very important. And that is why we are putting this as part of our workshop, is so for us to be conscious of some of these questions that are raised. So as you read the newspaper, as you listen to the radio, as you watch television, these are the kinds of messages. Who is communicating and why? What type of text is it? What are they saying? How is it produced? How do we know what it means? Who receives it? And what sense do we make of it? And how does it present its subjects? These are some of the questions that we should keep in the back of our minds. And then so that we can help others to be able to interpret and to become literate in understanding the media. Most of us are now becoming more literate in the written word, but more and more, the images are becoming very much important. And so what Bev is doing is media literacy is the ability to assess, analyze, evaluate, and produce communication in a variety of forms. So we have moved away from mothers telling stories and conveying and transmitting moral values and moral imaginations to today where it is the electronics. We become zombies as we watch them. But I would like us to, as we conclude, is that you have drawn in your pieces of paper your own images about how we see love, how we see compassion, and how we see peace. So at this time, I'd like to invite us to form a circle and move the chairs aside, and we will share these pictures, and we will put them all together. So if we can now just form a tight closing circle.
Joy and equanimity as the path to peace.
My name is Elizabeth. I used a pen, so this may be difficult to see. This is a picture of our world, the Earth, and it's wrapped round, surrounded by the spirit of love and compassion that emanates from all the people living on our Earth.
Together in unity, our unity and understanding of the human nature, forgiving and forgetting, seek the impermanent, changing nature through the reality, bring peace of mind through meditation.
My name is Gabriele, and here you see the sun and the moon, the sun giving warmth and love, and the moon giving wisdom. And compassion is trying for me to understand the difficulties and the sufferings of all living beings now, in this life and in future lives. The result of understanding is tolerance and motivation to help as good as you can.
I'm Trina, and my picture is opens up from her contemplation like wings into a heart. Because I was struck by Yolanda's metaphor of flying, so the heart becomes being able to be free.
My name is Tashi, and I have a lotus here. It says sense of responsibility is compassion, and the lotus growing from a body base that shows that our body is diluted, but even though we can generate compassion within our diluted body, just like from muddy water, the lotus grows and it's pure. Thank you.
My name is Meg. Every year I noticed a Cambodian man sitting in the back listening with his young daughter on his lap. And there I saw love, peace, and compassion. So that's what I wrote.
I have a pictures from a small child. You can see on the corner here, the cat and the mouse sharing the food. You have never seen the cat and the mouse sharing the food. And on the other end, there is no ugly duckling. The mother, everybody's love. And the bigger picture here, you can see everybody holding hand in hand. And the bright sun behind. We are working towards a harmonious and peaceful tomorrow. So it's peace, love, unity. Thank you. I am Una, and I draw one oath. Half is we must know knowledge, half is we must practice, and breath is necessary to have our fruits, our result. And in order to cut the wood, we must cut the root, but breath is necessary in order to get fruit.
I am Bhikkhuni Bhadra from Sri Lanka. This is my picture. I feel as loving kindness, compassion is what we have in our hearts and hands. That means happiness. We must share with all, not only for human beings, all beings in the world. You can see birds flying in the sky, and trees also. We must reflect our love and kindness, and disabled, patients, old ages, and children, and animals, serpents, everyone, all beings in the world. We must love all of them. Thank you.
Bhikkhuni Kusuma, taking my table.
I'm reading it for her. The Buddha realized that the world is suffering, and the Buddha realized the cause of suffering. One has to eradicate the cause, and then one automatically puts an end to the suffering. The way to do it is to understand with wisdom that all physical and mental phenomena are impermanent, suffering, and non-self, a void. This is universal, hence we all are trapped, and we need so much compassion to tide over, even temporarily. And that's the picture of the wheel of suffering, of rebirth, and that's the picture of the moon giving light to the world without discretion to every living being. I am Bhikkhuni Kusuma. I am thinking that compassion comes with wisdom. Each of us are locked up in our own world, so different from moment to moment. When we understand how we think and build our own world, then we know how others think and build their world. So we can forgive and develop compassion with wisdom. And wisdom is the knowledge that suffering arises due to our own ego, self, craving, and negative emotion. We need to recognize this and get rid of it. And that's my picture of meditation, trying to eradicate defilements in my mind.
I am Bhikkhuni Kusuma. That's picture have compassion without distinction. Compassion is the feeling for those who are suffering. It is the beating of our heart in reason with the resonance with the heart of those who are suffering. Love thy name. Thank you.
I'm Carol Jean, and this is my picture. It's many hearts with peace signs inside each of the hearts. And I wrote, peace is not only the absence of war, but social justice for all human beings. Love is all. And that's a quote, changed a little, by Martin Luther King Jr., that first part. Peace is not only the absence of war, but social justice for all human beings. Thank you.
I'm Liz Harris, and although I believe that the secret of peace lies within, the stories we heard today force my minds outward. And so I wrote, when the victims are empowered, when the imprisoned, the slaves are set free, when the young are nurtured for life and not the fields of war, when greed is no longer the measure of status and health, then compassion and peace might be our reality, not only our aspiration.
My name is Arianyani, and I started to draw this drawing out from the middle. That's peace, love, and compassion. That's where we're all aiming at, but that's also something that all of us have already in us. It just needs to be unveiled. And so then these lines going out represent just all different kinds of beings which are connected to peace, love, and compassion.
I am Kila Vitarane. This is my picture. Wish you a peaceful New Year.
I am Sheila Idrisinghe. Today the most important thing is peacefulness, more than bombs and weapons. This is my picture card. Peace is the most powerful thing in the world.
inside the sun, and inside the sun is flower, is bird. Peace is the destiny we give each other.
This is my picture, and the symbol of the flower who one flower is big woman who carry the flower to worship to others. And after that, I show and expressing, I am expressing my feeling, and I feel very impressed with all women who come here to give the speech. I feel very sympathetic to all of us because women are difficult to be carefree on themselves. They are soft mind, full of compassion. They are always want to help others to do anything well. And my name is Sisla Upaman, and Wat Paknam Pasijere, Bangkok, Thailand.
ภาพนี้เป็นต้นไม้ใบหญ้าภูเขาสัตว์ในโลกซึ่งกำลังจะถูกทำลายไปหมดแล้วทุกวันพร้อมทั้งเปรียบเหมือนสตรีซึ่งถูกทำลายทางเพศซึ่งวันนี้ได้ฟังว่าทางเขมรน้อยเนื้อต่ำใจน้ำตาไหลเลยโศกเศร้ามากที่เกิดเมื่อก่อนนี้ไม่เคยมีโสเภณีแต่เดี๋ยวนี้เกิดโสเภณีมากขึ้นและรู้สึกว่าจะทั่วโลกจะด้วยสิโสเภณีนี่ดิฉันก็ขับแค้นใจและเวทนามากน่าสงสารน่าเมตตาน่าช่วยเหลือทีนี้พูดถึงส่วนความประทับใจดิฉันรู้สึกว่าประทับใจมากในการเดินทางถึงกัมพูชาเที่ยวนี้ในการต้อนรับพอลงมาถึงสถานีการบินพอเข้ามาสู่นั่นก็มีคนเอาดอกบัวต้อนรับอย่างดีที่สุดแล้วก็มาถึงก็เปิดประชุมเป็นการประชุมที่สมบูรณ์พร้อมดิฉันภาคภูมิใจและประทับใจมากแล้วยิ่งเป็นสิ่งที่ประทับใจมากที่สุดก็คือ Queen of กัมพูชามีจิตเมตตาอ่อนโยนอ่อนหวานมีปัญญาไม่ถือเนื้อถือตัวไม่ถือพระองค์ทรงโปรดเมตตาประชาชนให้เข้าอย่างใกล้ชิดถ่ายรูปร่วมกันเป็นข้อที่ประทับใจมากค่ะและอย่างการประชุมเที่ยวนี้เจ้าหน้าที่ทุกท่านมีจิตเมตตามีมนุษยสัมพันธ์ดียิ้มแย้มแจ่มใสเมื่อก่อนนี้ดิฉันเข้าใจว่าประเทศสยามเป็นประเทศที่เป็นประเทศสยามแต่เป็นเมืองยิ้มแต่มากัมพูชาเที่ยวนี้ก็พบว่าชาวกัมพูชานี่มีแต่รอยยิ้มในหมู่ประชุมกันนี้มีแต่รอยยิ้มทั้งนั้นเลยค่ะและก็ประทับใจมากสมกับที่เราเป็นชาวพุทธศาสนาเมตตาธรรมท่านพระราชนีเราอ่อนโยนเมตตาและมีเมตตาธรรมสมกับที่ท่านเป็นชาวพุทธเราต้องถือว่าเมตตาธรรมทั้งบุญโลกดิฉันถือมั่นข้อนี้ค่ะ
This is because so long. This picture it means treasure of all of the countries full of the forest, and she expressed her mind, her feeling. She said, "I feel very impressing. I am very impressing with Cambodian person and all of organizers to come here, and all of them are greeting me very well." She said like that. And when she get down from the airport, from the aeroplane, she said, very comfortable. Everything is nice and very impressed with the queen. She is very humble to respect others, and she throws her hand to respect the monk and nun. She feels very impressed with queen and all of Cambodian and organizer. Buddhists should be like that, should be like this, she said, because Buddhists should be compassionate also. Thank you.
My name is Margaret Tilaka. I have no picture as such. I have a saying which I have taken from Dhammapada, one Lord Buddha's sayings. Hatred has to be conquered with non-hatred. This is an age-old Dhamma. The entire stanza in Pali, in Dhammapada goes like this. Nahi verena verani, sammanti the kudacharam, averena cha verani, es dhammo sanantanam.
Nhong chmô đô chi bên ta rình Nam Cô Chi Nhong bang
My name is Kendra from Cambodia. This is my picture. The heart, which shows the heart of Cambodian lives. Everybody has thoughts of lives. That means we have not that That means if we had such bad thing, we could not be living in a peaceful society. Welcome to all participants. My name is Lisa. We can go on. In this, I do the same and I lost flower. The same means if you have good friends, then you have good result, and then you live in peace. And you live and stay with the thief, then you will be in trouble. If you go down into the water, you will meet the crocodile. But if you come to the jungle, then you face with the tigers. And another saying is that the intellectuals going down to the pond and then go to the grave, to the hell, and the bad men go to the heaven. The last saying is Nante Parang Sukha. There is nothing else better than peace. And the lotus flower show in the Buddhist context the compassion, sympathy, and loving kindness. Is extended to all of the people from various countries. I wish you a beautiful life, and I wish that Buddhism be developed.
greeting to all of you in here. To young lady and mom. My name is Khun Bo Hoi. I live in Cambodia.
ក្នុងយើងម្នាក់ៗបានមានក្នុងចិត្ត
And one of us
ថាព្រួយហេតុជាងព្រួយផល
is only worried about the causes
ប្រយ័ត្ន
rather
ហេតុ
than
ជា
the
ងប្រយ័
result.
ត្នផល
That means we are always cautious with the causes rather than with the results.
ប្រាថ្នាហេតុជាងប្រាថ្នាផល
If we wish for the causes, then we do not wish much for the results.
ហេតុយ៉ាងណាផលក៏យ៉ាងនោះដែរ
Good cause may always give us better results, but bad cause always give us bad results.
កុំចង់បានអ្វីពីអំពើល្អរបស់ខ្លួន
Don't need much from what you have sacrificed.
គ្មានអ្វីល្អជាងអំពើល្អរបស់ខ្លួនឡើយ
Nothing else is much better than good doing.
បើយើងធ្វើល្អខ្លួនយើងហើយយើងមិនបាច់ចង់បានអីក្រៅពីនឹងទៀតទេព្រោះថាការដែលល្អគឺល្អមិនមែនល្អតែពាក្យក្រៅហើយកាយវាចានេះទេគឺល្អចេញពីក្រអៅបេះដូងយើងមកហៅថាយើងធ្វើសិលធ្វើធម៌ហ្នឹងឲ្យមានគុណធម៌មេត្តាករុណាមុទិតាឧបេក្ខាហ្នឹងគឺទម្លាប់អញ្ចឹងទៅល្អទៅគឺបាច់បានចង់បានអីក្រៅពីនឹងទៀតទេព្រោះល្អទៅនឹងល្អពីអ្វីទាំងអស់
Don't expect from what you have been doing, especially if you do good things, don't expect the result of that. If you say good thing, doesn't mean that you act much better. If you say nicely, you have to perform, commit nicely. And then this is the compassion, loving kindness, and sympathy.
So, chọc được cái này là sự phù hợp của nghe bạn
My good wishes to
so
all
các
of
nhà
you.
qua sẽ đây sẽ đây không chịu nghe
ចា៎ជំរាបសួរទាំងអស់និងសូមគោរពអង្គសន្តិទាំងអស់ខ្ញុំបាទឈ្មោះយើងលេងហ៊ុនមកពីអង្គការមកពីអង្គការបណ្ដារដ្ឋាភិបាលកម្ពុជា
Looking for NGO.
ចា៎ក្នុងរូបគំនូរខ្ញុំនេះមានរូបមនុស្សម្នាក់សើច
There is a person smiling.
ហើយជុំវិញនេះមានរូបបេះដូងនិងរូបផ្កា
And around this person there are flowers.
ចា៎បានន័យថាតំណាងទឹកចិត្តរបស់មនុស្សនៅលើពិភពលោកនេះ
The heart represent the heart of the people in the world.
ចា៎គប្បីពុះបេះដូងយើងជាតិ4
This means that we have to divide our heart into 4 pieces.
ហើយមួយចំណែកគួរមើលឃើញទៅគេ
One should be given or look upon the other.
មួយចំណែកវិញគួរមើលឃើញត្រឡប់ឲ្យគេឃើញត្រឡប់មកយើងវិញ
And one part will be looked
នៅអ្វីណា
by the other person.
នៅរាល់អំពើទាំងឡាយណាដែលបានធ្វើល្អ
That means we oversee the good acts.
ដែលកំណត់ខ្ញុំប្រៀបបានថាដូចជាផ្កាជុំវិញទម្រង់នេះជុំវិញគំនូរដែលខ្ញុំគូរនេះផ្កា
I
នេះ
compare this to the flowers that I draw on this piece of paper.
ចាផ្កានេះមិនចំពោះតែផ្កាឈូកគឺទូទៅផ្កាទាំងអស់ក៏អាចមានក្លិននិងសម្ផស្សល្អដោយផ្កាឈូកផងដែរ
This flower is not just only lotus flower, but all kinds of flowers growing on this planet, because all flowers do have their own fragrance that varies and different.
ចាបានន័យថាមនុស្សលើលោកនេះមិនគិតថាអ្នកមានឬអ្នកក្រណាក៏អាចកសាងនៅអហិង្សានិងដែលនាំមកនៅសន្តិភាពទាំងអស់គ្នាបានចា
This means that every people in the world, even the middle class or the lower class or the top class, can bring peace for the world and can have compassion for everyone. Thank you.
មានគំនូរជាស្ត្រី
This one picture is a woman
ធ្វើសមាធិកម្មដ្ឋាន
who is doing his meditation.
ដើម្បីចិត្តស្ងប់ហើយ
This is to pacify the mind and the heart.
ដើម្បីសេចក្តីសុខសន្តិភាពនិងមានមេត្តាករុណាមុទិតាដល់ប្រជាពលរដ្ឋទូទៅទាំងអស់
She meditated for the compassion, peace, and loving kindness for all of us and the people all over the world, not just for herself. Thank you. My name is Paul. My sayings and the saying that you have heard are the same, so I want to just rectify it a little bit. Put down the guns and go for Dharma and Buddhism. If you want peace, we have to put down all the guns and bring the peace back. But we have to alleviate three things in our mind and heart. Those three weapons are hatred, greed, and delusion. When we are greedy, we always commit bad things. Hatred means that we got animosity or we get angry. When we are angry, we always commit wrongdoing as well, and we could not decide properly. If these three components are still in our heart, then we could not remove it from our heart, then we cannot bring non-violence to this world. Thank you. In order to achieve non-violence, we have to remove these three components from our heart. Thank you. I will also add other 4 words. These are compassion, loving kindness, equanimity, so these 4 precepts are very important. Loving means we tolerate each other. If we have love in our heart for other people, then we will not accuse them of doing anything else wrong. So loving is the biggest thing for us and for other people. Thank you very much for your attention and my all best wishes to all of you, and I wish that we can serve for the development of Buddhism. My name is Hong Samon, and I live in Cambodia.
កាលយានធម៌ដែលជាអ្នកកាន់ព្រះពុទ្ធសាសនាដូចគ្នាទាំងអស់ជាទីគោរពនិងជាទីរាប់អាន
My great respects to all Buddhist friends.
ណាខ្ញុំគឺមានគំនូរក្អមទឹកដែលហូរធ្លាក់ចុះពីក្អមទៅលើផែនដីប្រៀបដូចជាមានមេត្តាករុណាមុទិតាឧបេក្ខាចំពោះមនុស្សនិងសត្វនៅលើវិថាសកលលោកទាំងមូល
In my picture, I have a water jar. It is called Om in the Buddhist language. And in there is water. And from the water jar, the drop of water is dripping down on the earth. That means it is giving the loving kindness and compassion to everybody, the living beings in the world.
មេត្តាគឺសេចក្តីរាប់អានចំពោះសត្វ
Loving is meant by us as the preference for all living beings and the animals in this planet. Kindness that means sympathy that means we pity for the others. Compassion means that we always in favor of human beings and animals. Equanimity means that we always we are always in the central part of our heart. All four of these precepts can bring us to non-violence. Thank you very much. I'm Su Mui from Kampong Som province. I want to extend my respects to all Cambodian nuns and international participants. នេះជារូបគំនូរមួយដែលស្ត្រីអន្តរជាតិជា20ប្រទេសមានកម្លាំងសាមគ្គីដើម្បីជួយស្ត្រីដូចគ្នាដែលជារង្វង់មូលដែលយើងកំពុងអង្គុយនៅទីនេះ This picture shows the women from more than 20 countries joining together and sitting in the circle like they are now here. ដែលយើងមានកម្លាំងធំមួយដើម្បីជាស្ត្រីជា20ប្រទេសដើម្បីជួយស្ត្រីដែលមានការទន់ខ្សោយហើយនឹងបំបត្តិអហិង្សារបស់ការរំលោភសិទ្ធិរបស់អ្នកដទៃចំពោះស្ត្រីនោះ We are women as well, and this picture also are the women. They are working hand in glove to help the vulnerable women, especially. ដើម្បីជាកម្លាំងធំមួយជួយគ្នាឆ្ពោះទៅរកសន្តិភាពរបស់ស្ត្រីនៅក្នុងពិភពលោក This solidarity can be a powerful energy that can make peace for the world. ហើយខ្ញុំក៏សូមចប់ពីបទប៉ុណ្ណេះហើយខ្ញុំសូមថ្លែងអំណរអគុណចំពោះអស់លោកជាបណ្ឌិតជាគ្រប់ប្រទេសដែលបានមកជួយនៅក្នុងប្រទេសរបស់ខ្ញុំនេះសូមថ្លែងជាច្រើនជាទីសេចក្តីស្រឡាញ់របស់ខ្ញុំទៅអនាគត My all best wishes to all of you and my friends from different countries. Thank you.
ดิฉันแม่ชีวลีชื่อทัศนประสิทธิ์ในภาพนี้คือเรื่องแสดงออกถึงเรื่องความรักความเมตตาแล้วก็ความสันติภาพนะคะคนเราที่จะมีสันติภาพหรือมีความรักความเมตตาต่อกันนั้นย่อมจะมีการแสดงออกการแสดงออกนั้นเห็นที่ชัดได้ง่ายๆที่สุดก็คือใบหน้าด้วยการยิ้มนะคะแล้วก็ภาพนี้เป็นรูปหัวใจคนเราที่จะมีเมตตาต่อกันนั้นต้องเกิดมาจากจิตใจเราถ้ามีความเยือกเย็นมีความสงบที่ปรารถนาดีต่อกันก็เปรียบเหมือนกับน้ำฝนที่หลั่งมาจากท้องฟ้าที่เรียกว่าอันความเมตตากรุณาปราณีจะมีใครมาบังคับก็หาไม่หลั่งมาเองเหมือนฝนชื่นใจจากฟากฟ้าสุราไรสู่แดนดินเมื่อฝนหลั่งลงมาแล้วเนี่ยต้นไม้ภูเขาหรือว่ามนุษย์สัตว์ที่อยู่ในโลกนี้ย่อมมีความร่มเย็นนะคะมืออันนี้เป็นมือเล็กกับมือใหญ่ประสานกันความสันติภาพนั้นจะเกิดขึ้นได้ก็อยู่ที่มนุษย์ในโลกนี้จะเริ่มต้นตั้งแต่ในครอบครัวก็ตามนะคะเด็กผู้ใหญ่หรือผู้ใหญ่ต่อผู้ใหญ่จะเป็นผู้หญิงหรือผู้ชายต้องทำงานร่วมกันมีการประสานมือต่อกันด้วยจิตใจอันบริสุทธิ์สันติภาพนั้นจึงจะเกิดขึ้นได้
This is
first love is smiling. The second one is from compassion. Compassion comes from your heart. You have to open your heart. Make your heart like the rain. The rain goes through the forest, go to human being, and everybody receive rain from your heart. It's like opening and pouring your heart. The third one is peace. Instead of man and women, adult and children, you put your hands together like this. This is peace.
Xin số việc việcนี้คือการขอสร้างสอนเทียบคือการสติปัญญาในพระอนาคต
This picture shows the building of peace. Building of peace, we need love, compassion, and sympathy. And also the intellect, the good brains.
អ្នកកសាងសន្តិភាពពិតប្រាកដមិនត្រូវការចាក់ឫសចាក់គល់យ៉ាងមុតមម
The real peacemakers must have been rooted deeply and strongly that no one can fell down the peacemaker. The peacemaker never think of self. If we were peacemakers and we are selfish, then we will grab power. Then when if we want power, then we fight. And then this doesn't bring peace to us. So my all best wishes to all of you, and I wish that the Nun Association throughout the world be survive forever. This picture represents all of us. Everything that happens in our world or on this planet, like for example war, conflicts, domestic violence, these are due to the three minds in our hearts.
ដូច្នេះយើងទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលប្រាថ្នាបំណងស្វែងរកសន្តិភាពនិងអហិង្សានៅលើសកលលោកយើងនេះដើម្បីឲ្យបានសេចក្តីសុខសប្បាយគ្រប់គ្នាម្នាក់គឺរូបនេះតំណាងឲ្យយើងគ្រប់គ្នាក្នុងម្នាក់ត្រូវដោះក្របមីនទាំង3នេះឲ្យចេញអស់ពីក្នុងខ្លួនគឺមីនលោភៈមីនទោសៈនិងមីនមោហៈឲ្យអស់ពីក្នុងខ្លួនយើង
So if we wish for peace and non-violence for this world, we must detonate or remove all the three minds from our heart. Those three minds are greed, hatred, and illusion.
ដល់រាប់ណាដែលយើងដោះមីនទាំង3នេះអស់ហើយនៅពេលដែលអស់មីនពីក្នុងខ្លួនយើងពេលណាគឺពេលនោះហើយដែលយើងមានសន្តិភាពទាំងអស់គ្នាប្រកបដោយសេចក្តីមេត្តាករុណាសន្តោសប្រណីគ្នាយោគយល់អធ្យាស្រ័យគ្នាទៅវិញទៅមកដោយធម៌
Once all of these three minds are removed from our heart or detonated, then we will have a real peace for our planet, and we will live in compassion, sympathy, and equanimity, and with love as well.
តែបើយើងនិយាយថាយើងចង់បានសន្តិភាពតែស សន្តិភាពត្រឹមតែបបោមាត់និងដាដែលយើងស្រលោះយើងចង់បានតែយើងមិនខំដើររកជំហានទៅរកសន្តិភាពដោយខ្លួនឯងគឺសម្រាប់ខ្លួនយើងប្រឹងប្រែងដោះមីនចេញពីក្នុងខ្លួនយើងដោយខ្លួនឯងដរាបនោះសន្តិភាពមិនអាចកើតមានចំពោះខ្លួនយើងនិងចំពោះពិភពលោកឡើយ
And if we say nicely that we want peace for ourselves and for the world, but we don't know the way to get and reach peace, that means we don't know how to get rid of all these minds from our heart, then we could not get peace for ourselves and for the next generations and for the world as a whole.
ខ្ញុំក៏សូមអរគុណដែរចំពោះប្រិយមិត្តទាំងអស់ដែលជាសិក្ខាកាមមកពីប្រទេសនានាចូលរួមនៅក្នុងសន្និសីទនៅប្រទេសកម្ពុជានេះសូមឲ្យប្រកបដោយចិត្តមេត្តាករុណាដោយដោះមានតែ3នេះក្នុងខ្លួនគ្រប់គ្នាទើបយើងរកសន្តិភាពឃើញទាំងអស់គ្នា
My great thanks to all of you being here, and also I wish that every one of us must now start liberating all these minds from our
ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះចាន់សុធីរីជាបុគ្គលិករបស់អង្គការ GTZ កំពង់ធំ
My name is Jimmy, working for the GZ, the Germany organization in Kampong. However, my organization is operating through the religious institutions in Cambodia, especially Buddhist religion.
អញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំសូមបង្ហាញរូបភាពរបស់ខ្ញុំដែលមានការចេះដឹងបន្តិចបន្តួចគឺរូបភាពសត្វបាសាបាសីនៅក្នុងព្រៃឈើដែលមានព្រៃឈើ
My picture shows the animals and birds that are living in the forest or jungle.
ហើយនៅពេលនោះមានឧបសគ្គមួយកើតឡើងគឺភ្លើងឆេះព្រៃ
And at the same time, there is a phenomenon of forest fire.
ហើយបាសាបាសីដែលជាម្ដាយរបស់សត្វហ្នឹងចេញទៅរកស៊ីពេលត្រឡប់មកវិញឃើញភ្លើងឆេះហ្នឹងគឺថាប្រឹងយ៉ាងរហ័សរហួនចង់ទៅជួយសង្គ្រោះកូន
And during that time, all of the mother birds and animals are out of their nests, searching for food or feeds for their baby birds or animals. And then when they come back, they saw that it was not possible for them to come in, and they were crying.
ហើយរូបភាពនេះគ្រាន់តែចង់បង្ហាញថាសេចក្តីស្រឡាញ់អាណិតអាសូរនិងការស្រឡាញ់សេចក្តីសុខនោះមាននៅគ្រប់វិនាទីក្នុងរាល់មនុស្សសត្វទាំងអស់នៅក្នុងលោក
This expresses that the loving always exists every second in the world, even for the birds and animals, not just for the human beings.
ខ្ញុំគ្រាន់តែចង់បង្ហាញថាឲ្យមនុស្សទាំងអស់នៅក្នុងលើផែនដីយើងនោះដឹងថាមនុស្សគ្រប់រូបស្រឡាញ់សេចក្តីសុខគ្រប់គ្នា
So from this picture I want to say is that the human being in the world always love peace.
សូមអរគុណ
Thank you. I don't know much, but this is my picture.
ស្ត្រីញញឹមនេះខ្ញុំអត់មានចេះអីទេខ្ញុំនឹកអីថាចង់ឲ្យស្ត្រីខ្មែរខំធ្វើការលំបាកអត់អស់ជួយទៅដើម្បីឲ្យបានញញឹមដោយស្ត្រីពិភពលោក
I want to say that Cambodian women must be like other women in the world.
And last, I'm settling. This is my picture. And this the one family. None violence like the sunshine. Yes. Like this.
There are some more sayings here, but the others are not out. If you want to read this,
The time is, we're running out of time. Your tea time is now, and at 5 o'clock there is Tibetan chanting in this room. But I just want you to look at the beauty of all that comes from the different images that comes from our hearts and from our spirits. And so with that, I can conclude and say thank you to each of you.
This is a very beautiful place and spirit that we're all together in. So thank you all.
យាមជាឲ្យតែទាន់ទៅនេះទៅណា
The